This is Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today we would like to show how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. First of all, you need to launch the settings. In here, enter the network and internet category, then go for the calls and SMS, SIM preferences, click on allow once again. In here, I'll choose the manual dual SIM usage mode. Next, set the preference for the voice calls, so it's either SIM1, SIM2 or always ask. The manual assign contacts you can skip. Next, choose the SIM preference for data and SMS. Next, you can also customize the SIM card, so this page will allow you to personalize the SIM card number 1, this page the SIM card number 2, and after that you're all set. And from now on, in the future, if you would like to change the SMS preference, you'll be able to do it right here. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.